Lari, lari. Lari. Lari, lari. Where is this? Was I return? Doctor? Mistress! Oh, Maria, don't let Aya escape whatever. Wait! What do I do? Kemana ini? Kanan, kiri, kanan. Oh, okay. Good, Aya. Good. You doing? Safe. Hidden lab out. Okay, nice. Pergi. Oh shit. What do I do? Oh, jadi mayat. I could hide here. Okay. Mistress, where? Where did Aya go? I apologize, I lost sight of her. What? I'm terribly sorry. I am certain she could not be far. Let us search else. You useless! What? Ji, bapaknya gila banget, sumpah. For fuck's sake, bapaknya gila banget. Si Maria dibunuh apa gimana ini? Holy, sumpah gila banget bapaknya, anjing, asli gila banget anjing. Si Maria, astaga. Oh, dokter. Maria. What do I do? So much blood. Is there anything here I could use? Cari sini dong. Is there anything here? I found something. Got bandage. Yes. Bandage. A bandage. Well, I can wrap this around your clothes. Lift your skirt a little, Maria. Angkat rokmu dikit. Oh yeah, this should help stop the blood. Mistress, thank you for caring for me. It's fine, don't worry about it. I should be most loathsome in your eyes. Don't say that. It's true. I've known how you feel, mistress. I took away your most beloved. Of course you would hate me. But you are very kind to show me so much compassion. Maria, can you stand? Mistress, let's get out of here together. Wow. Si Aya baik ya. But mistress, I am the same as you, Maria. I can't live without father's love. But if father doesn't want us, we've been abandoned. We have to live without him now. Even though you and I can live alone. So, we'll help each other to keep living even if father's gone. Good idea. Mistress, I shall accompany you. Kenapa dia? Ya, Maria. Apologize, mistress. But could I have your shoulders? Yes. Okay. Kayak dansa ya. Dah. Where should I go now? Ayo. Kemana? Ke atas bawah sini ya. Coba ya. Let's go. Oh shit. Apa? Father, Mrs. Hurry. Lari. Aduh. Mrs. Never mind me. Escape. No, we're living together. I can't go any further. You must escape alone, mistress. I can't be. It is fine. I shall not leave you alone. I will follow behind for sure. Believe me, please. Maria. Ya oke. Sinetron. Ya, tinggal. Oh fuck. Ditendang anjing. Enggak ada waktu buat saya. Anjing. Tutup. Oh fuck. Anjing, gila banget si bapaknya, anjing. Lari. Aduh, pakai jatuh segala lu, kayak tersanjung aja lu. What? What is that? Come be with us. No. Aduh, skip. Sorry. Let go. I didn't want to hurt you, Ayah. It's a shame. No, stop, Father. But I can cover your leg with a skirt easily enough, so it should be fine. I don't want this. I want to stay with Father. I love you, Father. So please, stop this. Ayah. Don't worry. Father and Ayah will always be together now. So rest in peace. Fuck, Ayah. I love you. Wow. The hell happened here? Ayah. Father! I love you. Ayah. Ada di expendable ya, anjing? Lempar pisau gitu, anjing. Father. Apa yang terjadi, anjing? Oh, si Maria. Mistress Maria. Are you hurt? Sniff. Maria. Oh, Father isn't moving. Did Father die? I apologize, Mistress. I had no choice left to protect you. Oh, dia baik banget. Oke. Bergerak. I guess this is for the best. Right, Mom? That boy! Kalian masih ingat kan? I'm glad I made it. Mistress. Asli bapaknya gila banget, anjing. Asli. Halo? You saved us. Thank you. No need for thanks. I just did what she asked. She? You mean my mom? Oh, I said I was sorry for scaring you. Mamanya minta tolong dia. I didn't intend to get injured. Believe that, at least. I understand. Mom wants to protect me. Thank you, Mom. I want to see you again. She wanted to. But I don't think she wants to be seen as she is now. That's whatever Mom look like. It's alright. She's watching you from afar. So don't be sad. If you are, it will only make her sad. Right. The curse will wear off soon, so it's almost farewell. You'll go away? We're all alive now, only because of the curse. Oh, jadi semua boneka ini hidup tuh karena kutukan, men. I see. But there's something I must do before I go. And that is set fire to this mansion. Wow. Dia mau bakar rumah si Ayah. Why would? You can do that. All those memories of being happy here. It's not my intent to burn those. But it's possible that someone could find traces of your father's here. We can't let the same tragedy happen again. Bener sih. Is that what Mom want to? Oh, dia nggak jawab. Okay, if that's what Mom want, then do it. Mistress, it's okay, Maria. Even if this house is gone, memories of Father and Mom won't go. Mistress. Yes, that's right. Aya, there is one thing I ask of you. Do not ever forget the people who were sacrificed here. None of us had any relatives. No one looked for us. No one remembered us. No one knew we exist at all. I feel bad for that. Our existence will be forgotten to the world, but we did indeed life, so I don't want you to forget that. I want you to hold proof in your heart that we were here. That is the least you can do for us. Yes, I'll never forget. Thank you. Well, this is goodbye. Oh, so merinding. So sweet banget. Goodbye, Aya. May you be smiled upon. Sweet banget, anjing, sweet banget. Now go. Bye. Bye. Shit, man. He is a hero. Sumpah. Apa? Lu mau hidup lagi? Ada si Deddy Corbuzier lagi. Humans are such utterly foolish creatures. I've seen countless many foolish humans, but you are the most foolish of them all. A human mad with desire is more fearsome than any demon. And yet I adore such foolish human. Come to me. Come to me, and you may research to your heart. What? What? It is just the two of us now. Well, and Snowball. Yes, and Snowball. Oh, yes, that's right. What shall we do now? I don't know. We have to find somewhere to live. But I'm sure I can't live alone. Maria, will you come with me? Yes, of course. You have taught me much, Mrs. Now it is time for me to help you. Whatever awaits us ahead, I will protect you all the way. Thank you. Let's go. Are you sure? Without watching to the end? Yeah, it's fine. Ayah tuh dari kecil udah tegar banget ya. Come on, Snowball. Let's go. Actually, I wonder where that guy with the black coat went. Itu tadi si Deddy Corbuzier di sono, dia tiba-tiba muncul. I kinda hope he's okay. I'm sure he'll be alright though. He's a really strange guy. Come on, Snowball. Father, mother, goodbye. Ada apa? A book? Hah? Hah? Mistress? What is the matter? Nothing. Let's go. The missus is very hardy. Even after that harsh experience, she walks on without shedding a tear. With the missus beside me, I feel we can overcome anything. Amen. However, what is the anesthesia I feel, doctor? Shit, man. Gila, man. Cerita ini gila banget, bagus banget, sumpah. Gue suka banget part ini, sumpah. Gue suka banget game ini, bukan part ini. Gue suka. Wow. Lucu, rumahnya bagus. I'm finally here. I've heard about this place. Siapa dia? Drevis Clinic. Clinic. Yeah, this must be the place. It's out in the middle of nowhere. No one would even notice it. Rumahnya bagus nih, rumah siapa? Knock knock, who's there? Reza what? Reza Octavian. Hello. A patient. Itu Ayah ya? Cakep ya, rambut pendek. She's so pretty. Is she a doctor? What seemed to be the problem? Yes, well, I was born rather feeble. As I've asked my local doctor for a checkup, but how do I say this? My family is really poor, so the doctor given up on me. Oh, that's bad. That's why I came here. I heard the doctor here does checkup for free. Yes, we don't ask any money from our patient. Ah, baik banget. So don't worry. Ternyata si Ayah jadi dokter juga dan dia ngelakuin ini tanpa minta biaya apapun. Really, I honestly don't have any, so I can really get examined. Of course. Thank you so much. What's your name? I'm Jen. Jen Rooney. Jen, that's a wonderful name. I'm Aya Drevis. Nice to meet you, Dan. Yes, you too. That doesn't sound good. We should examine you right away. Come in, come in. Considering you're not all that healthy, your lecture carried you a long way. Was it difficult for you? I met a kind old woman on the way here who took me part of the way on a coach. It was so nice for her. There are some really nice people out there. Just like you, Dr. Davis. Ah, baik, si Ayah baik. You think so? You think so? It's kinda weird. No, lie down here. Boy, I'm nervous. Ya, gue juga dengar kuda. I hear horses. They don't sound far off. Are they in the back? Stay very still while I apply anesthesia. Ah, yes. You have very pretty eyes, you know. Ah, iya sih, emang bagus matanya. So beautiful, I can't stop looking at them. No one said that to me before. Thank you very much. Blushing. Hehe, nervous, huh? It's fine, just relax your shoulders. Doctor. Doctor, do you think you can make me better? Of course. From now on, you'll never suffer again. So take it easy and go to sleep. Maria, indeed the mistress is much like you. It does run in the family. Doctor. Wait the fucking second. Ada suara kuda. Terus si Ayah. Ada suara kuda. Terus si Ayah. Terus si Mari. Oh, ngentot. Did you guys notice something? Di rumah si Ayah ada kuda. Suara kuda tadi. Terus si Maria bilang, same like the doctor. Sama kayak papanya. Terus si Ayah tadi ngelihat matanya. Anjing, mind blowing anjing. Ternyata si Ayah jadi dokter kayak papanya juga. Bener-bener kayak papanya yang yang ngebunuh orang. Oh shit. So yeah, that's it. A Journey of Mad Father. Endingnya mind blowing banget, bener-bener mind blowing banget di otak gua, kepala gua. It's like what the fuck. Ternyata si Ayah jadi dokter sama kayak papanya yang ngakuin eksperimen sama seperti papanya. Sama, nggak ada bedanya. Anjing, gue masih nggak percaya. that plot twist anjing, plot twistnya parah banget anjing. So itulah dia Mad Father. Gue akan cari game-game kayak gini lagi yang bagus-bagus jalan ceritanya. Semoga kalian suka sama Mad Father. Kalau kalian ada game-game kayak gini, versi-versi kayak gini yang cerita-ceritanya bagus-bagus juga, kalian bisa kasih ke gue di link. So gue masih nggak percaya sama si Ayah jadi dokter gitu. So that's it. Kita selesai Mad Father bareng-bareng. Yeay. So, thank you for watching. Stay tune terus channel gue. Jangan kemana-mana. Jangan lupa subscribe. Always be onyo-onyo. And, at last but not least, salam gamers. Bye.